Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Governor is now making final preparations for a 5-city tour of the United Kingdom. The tour, which gets underway on October 3 through to the 14th, will see him performing over the course of 2 weeks at concerts in Manchester, Gloucester, London, Luton and Wolverhampton. The momentous trip is the 4th Gen DJ's first visit to Great Britain and another career milestone. Formerly known as Diablo, Governor has been dominating the dancehall space with hits including the latest Champ, a track which chronicles his journey to stardom and the challenges he overcame to attain his modern-day success. Governor recently released 2 singles titled Inner the Sky and All of It, courtesy of Arms House Records and Immuta Records. Jamaican artist Tessellated has released a brand new track titled Hallucinate. Hallucinate, which tells the tale of a destructive, addictive love, is a soulful track driven by hard-hitting bass and intoxicating guitars that complement Tessellated's melodic vocals. The single is produced by super producer Russian and rising star KRS. With a nod to a classic Russian rhythm, Hallucinate is influenced by R&B, soul, jazz, reggae and dancehall and Latin music, and effectively blurs genres in a fresh way without compromising the quality. Hallucinate is Tessellated's follow-up to his hit collaboration with Minty K. Frost and Valley's Pine and Ginger, a record that topped sales and trending charts across the Caribbean and was supported by celebs including Chloe Grace Moretz, Lily Allen, Camila Cabello and many more, as well as major rated DJs in the UK and the US. Dancehall artist George P, aka the Ghetto President, is ready to take his place in the spotlight. The DJ, who hails from Grand Spin in St. Andrew, lists dancehall icons Shabba Ranks, Buju Banton and Bounty Killer as his musical influences. He recently released visuals for the track Turn Around, a collaboration with DJ Classic B, which sees the DJ acknowledging and singing praises to beautiful women across the world. George P is known for tracks such as Real Ghetto President, Afi Make It, and Where Me Come From, Ghetto Cry. Also in the works for George P is upcoming performances in the Caribbean and Canada, which is currently being organized by his management team 4Ds and N Entertainment. George P is currently working on his EP titled Footprints of the Ghetto. Now to news overseas, where rappers Eminem, Kanye West and Lil Pump all broke 24-hour YouTube records with their new videos. The video streaming service this week announced that Eminem's latest track, Kill Shot, has the biggest YouTube debut for a hip-hop video ever. The track also has the 3rd biggest overall 24-hour debut on the streaming service. Eminem's Kill Shot, the rapper's highly anticipated reply to Machine Gun Kelly's Rap Devil diss track, garnered a staggering 38.1 million views in the first 24 hours, making it the biggest hip-hop debut and 3rd biggest overall in YouTube history. Meanwhile, rappers Kanye West and Lil Pump broke their own all-time 24-hour views records with the debut of the collaboration I Love It. The music video garnered 13.9 million views in the first 24 hours. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.